Hi everyone, we are at 35 and counting. So let's go. Now item 35 refers to the following diagram, but this diagram is not drawn to scale. It shows a sector of a circle with center O. So here we have the diagram. Now 35 is as follows. If the length of the minor arc PQ is 8 centimeters, what is the circumference of the circle? Now we can recall the formula for finding the minor arc of a circle. So minor arc is simply equal to, you know that your sector now is just a part of a circle, right? So PQ is a small portion of your circumference. So therefore we can say that this small portion PQ is equal to 2 pi r times theta over 360. All right, so it is that portion of the circumference that we are basically taking into consideration with this formula. All right, so let's go. So the length of the minor arc is given to be 8 centimeters. So we have that information. We know that 2 pi r, sorry, is the circumference, and that is what is being asked for. All right, so I'm just going to substitute 2 pi r for c times theta, which would be the angle, which is 60 degrees, out of a revolution of 360. All right, so at this point we can do some simplification right here. 60 and 360, they have a common factor of 60, so I can get one set of 60 out of 60. I can get 6 groups of 60 out of 360. So I'm now left with 8 centimeters, which is equal to c times 1 over 6. All right, so I can rewrite this as, I'm just going to put it here. All right, so just follow me to this section of your screen. All right, so 8 centimeters is equal to c times 1 is c over 6. All right, so therefore c, 6 8 is 48, so c is equal to 48 centimeters. All right, have you seen your answer? All right, so your answer should be D. So I hope you're in agreement with me. If not, you can safely say that. All right, so let us look at the next question. A man leaves home at 22 and 15 hours and reaches his destination at 4 hours on the following day in the same time zone. How many hours did the journey take? All right, so I'm just gonna do a rough sketch as I told you in previous videos that I like to draw. All right, so this is 12, 6, 3, 9. So this would be 10, 11, 1, 2. I like to draw, but I don't do very well at drawing. Now, I'm just going to take into consideration those aspects that I will be using in order to answer this question. All right, so we have the 12-hour clock represented here. Now, 22 hours and 15 minutes would be shorthand here at 10 and longhand here. All